Hello everyone. So today I'm back with one more new topic, and that is anagram. So let us first understand what is an anagram. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once, which means किसी शब्द या वाक्यांश के अक्षरों को पूर्ण व्यवस्थित करके यानी कि लेटर्स को रीअरेंज करके जो नए शब्द बनाए जाते हैं उसे हम एनाग्राम कहते हैं. मूविंग अहेड, let's have a word play with anagram and understand it. Now here you can see that by simply rearranging the letters of given word, we get a new word. Now let me just read the examples for you. Thing, night. Ten, net. Earn, near. Diary, dairy. Former, reform. Listen, silent. Act, cat. Icon, coin. अब यहाँ हमने वर्ड्स में एनाग्राम कैसे बनते हैं वो देखा. मूविंग अहेड, let's see some anagram examples in phrases. Now here also by simply rearranging the letters in given phrases, we get something new. Now let me just read the examples for you. Older and wiser, I learn words. The eyes, they see. Come in, income. Heavy rain, hire a navy. Video game, give a demo. Moving ahead, let's have some anagram riddles. Now here you can see that riddles are given in pair. तो जैसे ही हमें रिडल के फर्स्ट पार्ट का आंसर मिल जाता है, उसी आंसर को रीअरेंज करके हमें सेकेंड पार्ट का आंसर भी मिल जाता है. नाउ लेट मी जस्ट रीड इट फॉर यू. अनदर वर्ड फॉर चेंज इज अल्टर. So the moment we rearrange the word alter, we get the answer of second part, which is another word for warn, that is alert. Second, another word for jump is leap. Another word for white is pale. Third, an animal that people ride, horse. The place where land meets the sea, shore. Fourth, the capital city of France is Paris. A set of two things regarded as a unit, pairs. Fifth, a short sleep during the day, nap. An utensil used for cooking, pan. Moving ahead, here I have anagram riddle quiz for you. Try to solve this and let me know your answers in comment section. Remember, जैसे ही आपको फर्स्ट पार्ट के रिडल का आंसर मिल जाता है, उसी आंसर को रीअरेंज करके आपको सेकेंड पार्ट का आंसर भी मिल जाएगा. नाउ लेट मी जस्ट रीड ऑल द रिडल्स फॉर यू. अ कंट्री इन द मिडल ईस्ट. ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर फॉलिंग फ्रॉम द स्काई. अ सोर फ्रूट, अ जूसी फ्रूट. द पास्ट टेंस ऑफ विन, हैविंग बिलोंगिंग्स. Fourth, the organ that pumps blood, the planet we live on. Fifth, something you bake, hair on your face. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe.